How are you doing? How's everything? And Corona, I'm wearing my mask. It's been a long time. Let's speak some full day. Jamfini. It means good morning. But we are now not in the morning, we are in the afternoon. So we have to say what? Jamnyali. Jamnyali, which means good afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. It's been a long time since the last video of me that watching you watch me like 8 years, right? Yeah, 8 years. Wow, long time. How are you doing? How's everything? I'm fine. I've just been busy with what? With Dunyaro. Like, yeah, the life. How are you? I hope everything is fine with you. I hope you are learning, still learning full day. I have so much in my pocket. I have so much for you. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment in our channel FulanITales, the great channel that will together we will learn our full day together. Make sure to wear your mask. Okay, I'll make another video for you. This is